What's up everyone, big day today. I will upgrade my current Alienware ultra wide 37.5 inches with a very big display. The new deal, LG OLED 48C1 2021. This is good because it has 4K 120p. This has 144 refresh rate and that one has 120. I think for my eyes at least, I'm not competitive gaming or something, but it will be enough. So here we have the stand. Batteries, this is how the remote looks. You have Netflix button, Prime, and you also have this scroll here. And it's also air mouse. This is my little finger and this is like half of it. I also got this. After installing this LG C1 48-inch TV, I can say that I'm impressed with the picture quality, and I will definitely use it as my daily driver for programming first. So the main thing that I got is I want to have larger resolution so I can have more open windows on the screen and I can still see them. Because on the Alienware the things were a little bit different because the screen was a little bit smaller. I think I will definitely like using this TV. My main thing that I will do with this, I will put a lot of windows on the screen and I will definitely have more overview of the code that I'm writing every day, backend and frontend, because I'm a developer, as you might know. Also, be sure to subscribe to my channel because I will drop a course with multiple videos about how to make money as a developer, more exactly 10 ways how to make money as a developer, so be sure to subscribe to my channel. And also, when I change my ultra wide monitor to this one, I don't know why, but my desk looks more cleaner than it looked before. Short POV of my desk. My Bluetooth mouse, Logitech MX Master, and this is the GK61 with custom SA profile keycaps and background lighting. This is my Go XLR, which I'm using for my meetings, and also turn up the volume, turn down the volume, a lot of voice effects for my microphone. This Go XLR has multiple outputs of audio. I have two speakers in the back, those two. And of course, for my microphone I have the Shure SM7B. Change this piece of... I have this Rode one, but this I'm using for my camera as a stand in the meetings. And those are my headphones, the Bose. And because I'm using this camera as my webcam, this is the Sony a7S III, I need this Rode stand, and whenever I have a call I just take this out like here, and the lens is in this part like this. So this is how it looks, but of course I will not use it on ultra wide. I use it like this. So this is how it looks, my setup when I am in a meeting. So this is how I look. I have my microphone right here, I have my camera, I have my headset, and I have my keyboard and the mouse here, and I can see the other people on the screen. Of course the screen is really big now. Yeah, so you can see me right now like this. I will also try and do some scenes from my back where I program, and you guys see me programming or something like that right now. So, because the screen is OLED, first thing I'm gonna do is definitely install Wallpaper Engine and pop up a moving wallpaper. So I have my wallpaper every second moving, because this is an OLED. This is my software for burning. Because I'm a programmer, I will have definitely a lot of windows open, and those windows usually stay in the same place. But with this screen I will definitely make some routine. So every 30 minutes I go have a quick break or something. Let's set the moving wallpaper first. And in case you're wondering, this is how the TV looks when it has no signal. So guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, comment, share. If you have any ideas about what should I do regarding this monitor, write them down in the comment section. Thanks for watching. All the best. See you later. Bye.